Anbus Review. Pros and cons Best LUMS software. Anbus is used by millions of students and educators worldwide, but does popularity equal quality? The surprising truth might surprise you. Let's review. Canvas LUMS honestly. Anbus is a cloud-based learning management system used by schools, colleges, and businesses. Its biggest strength is ease of use. The interface is clean, modern, and intuitive. Assignments, quizzes, and grades are easy to access. Students appreciate the mobile app, which allows notifications and submissions on the go. Instructors benefit from flexible course design and integrations with tools like video platforms and plagiarism checkers. However, most people get this wrong. Anbus is not ideal for offline learning. A stable internet connection is required for most features. Another downside is customization. While powerful, advanced customization often requires technical expertise for paid add-ons. The surprising truth is that Canvas shines most in structured academic environments, not small independent courses. In 2025, Canvas remains one of the best LUMS platforms for large institutions that value reliability and scalability. If you want simplicity, stability, and strong support, Canvas delivers. Subscribe for more software reviews that tell you what others don't.